Happy morning, dear friends. Here's yours, Dr. Ajanta. Welcome to Demystify with Ajay. Today we are just going to discuss about ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a chatbot under generative pre-trained transformer. It is an AI-based model that was launched by OpenAI in November 2022 and works on automating chatbot technology. It is also considered the advanced version of traditional support chat system. In this session, we are just going to discuss on ChatGPT about its users and potential use cases. Rather describing, let me just get the definition by itself. So what is ChatGPT? Yeah, as specified, this ChatGPT is a generative pre-transformer. It's just giving its explanation. The use of this chat gpt was created, it is exactly used for some who are making for coding or poetry writing or some songs writing, and some used for movies or game suggestions. It is also being considered as a replacement for the Google search engine, which is a quality, which is actually a big statement, but the wonder it is doing a still unimaginable and based on users' input. It can also provide suggestions for food, movie, games, etc. etc. So let me just see its advantages. Yeah, it has its advantages as human like text generation, flexibility, and high accuracy. And mainly, it just has a large training data. And yeah, as said, it's a pre trained model. And last but not least, it's a open source. Let me have some list of disadvantages of the same too. So here it is the disadvantages. Yeah, limiting context understanding, bias, and lacks common sense, computational intensive, over a reliance on patterns, and last but not least, limited creativity. So, see here, dear friends, as it has given the same 6 points and advantages, yeah, here also we are just having the disadvantages too. Now, let me just have the main expectation. What I can expect from this chat GPT. So here it is just given not expected things, because here we just making related with common sense understanding, originality, empathy on social clues, physical actions or interactions, complex reasoning. And yeah, as to the same here, related to this understanding, Yeah, I just want to have one question related to the limited data. So let me just give whether, yeah, us on opening itself, we just seen, yeah, the exact limited data set is up to 2021. And see here, dear friends, when on just making the question towards the chat GPT related to that, yeah, what is the updated data limit? Actually, here I just want to know whether it is updated till 2021 or not, but it understanded related to the size of data. So yeah, here we just got the data as like, yeah, pre-trained with 40 GB data set, where now this GPT-3 model, which is updated version of ChatGPT, was trained on a dataset of over 570 GB. Okay, let me just put our question exactly whether the data set or trained data set, that is till 2021 or 2022. Yeah, it's accepting that it were updated till 2021 and early 2022. Here, I just want to go to our direct questions related to data science and machine learning. So let me just make some questions related to that. Yeah, here we just got it. Yeah, there are so many tasks such as language translation, text summarization, and text generations are there, where this beginner, yeah, they can make use of all the concept. By using this tool, they can just learn data science such as Python programming, data visualization, statistic, and making some working models also. And here there is a question related to the students using this chat GPT for their assignments. Let we have it. Yeah, see here, dear friends. So it is generally not considered appropriate to use a long language model, which is this Chat GPT, to complete assignments. See, actually, this is important talk nowadays. It's just going on where this chat GPT has to be banned or not. And see here, dear friends, it is not in that way. Actually, chat GPT can also help teachers save time to evaluate the students papers, or it is also actually it responds the way where the teachers evaluate a student. Several teachers also told me that they had an instructed students to try a trip of chat gpt, because it just gives an immense knowledge and ideas, but don't get practice onto that, making assignments or homework. Okay, dear friends, here's is our question related to machine learning. Yeah, dear friends, this is just an intro, just a discussion, a basic discussions on ChatGPT. Till we are not yet entered how this ChatGPT is having a potential use case on machine learning models. Yeah, we are going to have so many programming functionalities also. Yeah, we are just going to have the codes, and let me just execute it in our Jupyter or Python platform, and let me just explore it in coming part 2. And dear friends, we are just going to have so many potential use of these chat gpt, mainly on machine learning models. So kindly subscribe the channel and never miss any updates. Yeah, thank you, dear friends. Have a nice day.